Hey guys, how you doing? This is Tony, the AC guy here. I'm working on a packaged rooftop unit. I installed a brand new heat exchanger and igniter flame sensor, and having a little problem with it igniting, and found the problem. This has happened before. I have seen stuff like this, and here's a great example. I have an igniter where it has the porcelain insulator that is broke from the factory. You can't really tell, but until you go to fire it up, you'll see sparks coming out. Instead of out of the electrode, it comes out of the porcelain and grounds itself. And if you, I'll zoom in here so you can see. Give me 1 second. Go ahead and turn it to heat. Okay, let's go in here. See the porcelain insulator way in there? It should be igniting out of that rod instead, and it's coming right out of that porcelain insulator. I wish I could get a better shot for you guys, but you can see it's sparking right above it, just barely. You can see the sparks. Amazing. But it's a bad brand new part. That does happen, everybody. So, okay, I'm gonna order up a new part. Thank you.